Do I look cooler with my sunglasses on?
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name is Rory Brennan, owner of Big Wally's Plaster Magic. I'm going to review the tools that's necessary to do a satisfactory and excellent plaster repair. First thing you do is you have to have a drill and put a masonry 3/16 inch masonry bit. This drills the holes that lets you spray in the conditioner and inject the adhesive. This is a bottle of conditioner. You adjust the stream, adjust the base to a stream, and you inject that in the holes that you just drilled with the drill. The purpose is to wet the plaster and lath. Take a cartridge of adhesive, cut the tip off so it fits in the hole that you drilled, and inject adhesive. Once that adhesive is set up, you take the patching plaster, mix it with water to paste-like consistency. 2 layers of that, and top it with a finishing compound. That's as simple as it gets. Those are all the tools and materials you need to do the best plaster repair job possible. If you have any more questions, email me, Rory Brennan, owner of Big Wally's Plaster Magic, at info@plastermagic.com. I'll answer any questions you got.